A couple of people asked for a bandage on a dog's ear, so that's what we're going to do today, aren't we? See, yes? Ugh. So say if you're out on a walk and your dog gets an injury to the ear, this is how you should bandage it. All these items are in the pet first aid bum bags that I sell. There will be a link underneath the video. Things we're going to need, same as the last video. So if you haven't seen it, I did a video on how to bandage your dog's foot. So pretty much everything that we're going to use is the same as with that video, just slightly differently. So you're going to need the sterile dressings. For this, I'd use 2 or one of the large ones and cut it in half. You're going to need some saline wash to give the wound a little clean, or a sterile wipe. You can wipe it with that. If it's from a dog bites get infected very, very easily. So bandage this up while it's bleeding, but I would advise taking your dog to the vets. You need some soft band, which is the padding layer, then the conforming layer, which is the stretchy layer, and then some vet wrap. You're not looking at them, have you fallen out with everybody? So if your dog does get an injury to the ear, it's gonna bleed everywhere. And the dog shakes the head and they spray blood. You'd ideally want to wear gloves if it's bleeding. You fold the ear over the top of the head. So I'd use 1 sterile dressing underneath the ear and 1 over the top of the ear. So same again, grab the corner over the top of the ear and put it on the wound. So there, that should absorb some of the blood. You're going to start with your soft band, lay it over the dressings and go around the back or the front, whichever one you want to do first, but don't go over the top of the other ear, go behind it or in front of it, and then round and back over the ear. And then it's this one then, if you went behind the ear on the last one, you want to go in front of the ear this time. And then keep going round, and then same again, alternate it. So if you went around the front of the ear, now you're going to go around the back. The idea is to keep this other ear out. Every time I start doing this, my phone pops up saying my storage is full. It's driving me insane. Just keep alternating. You can put as much of this layer on as you want. If it's bleeding quite a lot, this layer will help to soak up all the blood. It's my favourite bandage, but I think it's her worst. Then you go in with the conforming layer, the stretchy layer. Then lay it over the top of the head and just repeat what we just did. So starting behind the ear or in front of the ear, go around and then alternate it, making sure that ear stays out. Give it a snip. Don't cut the ear off when you do this. There we go. And make sure it's not too tight, which it isn't. And then the vet wrap layer. So you want to do the same thing. With the vet wrap, like I said, pull it out and loosen it. Somebody mentioned on one of my last videos, which is actually a really good point, especially if you're doing this dressing. With the vet wrap, you can unroll it